This ugly bucket is why I haven't been bitten in my backyard all summer. I'm not a scientist. I'm not selling anything. I saw this method, I tried it, and it worked so well I had to share it. It's cheap, it's organic. It won't hurt your dog, your kids, or your bees. Let's get into it. You only need three things. 1. A container that holds water. Use a 5-gallon bucket, and that's still my go-to. But honestly, an old pot, a barrel, a tub, anything without a hole in the bottom works fine. Size does matter a little. Bigger means more surface area, more attraction, but don't overthink it. 2. A small handful of organic material. I'm using pulled weeds right here from my garden. Grass clippings work, a few leaves work. The key word is small, just a handful or two. I'll explain why in a minute. 3. Mosquito dunks. These are the secret weapon. They look like little beige donuts. What's inside is called BT, Bacillus thuringiensis israelensis, if you want to impress someone at a dinner party. It's a naturally occurring soil bacteria. It is completely harmless to humans, pets, birds, and, this is important, bees and other pollinators. You can find these at most garden centers or online, and one pack will last you the whole season. Okay, here's the science. And once you understand this, you'll see why it's so elegant. Mosquitoes find you by following carbon dioxide. That's the gas you breathe out. You step onto your patio, exhale a few times, and within minutes they've zeroed in on you. It's not your blood type, it's not your skin, it's your breath. When the organic material in this bucket starts to ferment, which takes about 2 days, it begins releasing carbon dioxide. The mosquitoes in your yard smell it and fly straight toward the bucket instead of toward you. Here's where it gets clever. Mosquitoes are one of the few insects that lay their eggs directly in standing water. So they come to the bucket, they lay their eggs in it, and they fly away thinking they've done their job. But the BT in the water is toxic specifically to mosquito larvae. The eggs hatch, the larvae die. The mosquitoes that laid those eggs, they fly off, live out their short natural lifespan, a few weeks at most, and die without ever producing offspring. No larvae means no next generation. The population in your yard doesn't get replaced. Over the course of a season, you're not just trapping individual mosquitoes. You're collapsing their breeding cycle entirely. And because the BT only kills insects that lay eggs in water, your bees are completely safe. They lay their eggs on leaves, in hives, in the ground, never in standing water. This thing is a precision tool, not a bomb. Here's exactly how I set mine up. Add your handful or two of organic material first, then fill with water to about 3/4 full. Don't fill it to the brim. Leave a little room. Break off about 1/4 to 1/2 of a mosquito dunk and drop it in. It'll float. That's fine. It dissolves slowly and keeps working for weeks. Do not put this near your seating area. You are building a mosquito magnet. The whole point is to pull them away from you. Tuck these buckets into the corners and edges of your yard, behind plants, along fence lines, anywhere away from where you spend time. I use 3 buckets in the backyard and 1 out front. For a smaller yard, 2 buckets total is plenty. For a larger property, space them every 30 to 40 feet around the perimeter. This isn't a set it and forget it situation, but the maintenance is genuinely easy. Every 3 weeks or so, come check on your bucket. If mosquitoes have started showing up near you again, that's your signal it's time to refresh. Dump out most of the water, not all of it. Leave a little in the bottom to keep any good biology going. Toss out the old organic material, add a fresh small handful of greens, fill back up to 3/4, drop in a fresh half dunk, and you're good for another 3 weeks. 2 things to watch for. If the bucket smells really bad, and I mean genuinely foul, you've added too much organic material. You only need a little, just enough to kickstart fermentation and start producing CO2. Dial it back next time. If mosquitoes seem to be ignoring the bucket after a week or 2, check whether the water has gone stagnant without much smell at all. That means the fermentation has stalled. Add a fresh pinch of greens. Let me know where you're watching from, and I'll see you in the next one on Make This Trap Once and Never Deal with Mosquitoes Again.